Hey everyone, welcome back to MiviHub.com. Today we're going to take a deep dive into UAExpert, a powerful tool for OPC UA, Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture. If you work with PLCs, SCADA systems, or industrial automation, this tool is a must-have. In this guide, we will cover what UAExpert Client and UACP Server are, why they're important in industrial communication, step-by-step installation process, what happens if you don't have both installed. By the end of this, you'll have a complete understanding of UAExpert and be able to set it up for seamless PLC communication. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about UAExpert Client. UAExpert is a specialized OPC UA client developed by Unified Automation. It's designed for testing and troubleshooting OPC UA servers, monitoring real-time data from industrial devices, communicating with PLCs, SCADA, and other automation systems. If you're working in industrial automation, UAExpert is an essential tool because it allows you to connect to an OPC UA server like a PLC, SCADA, or IoT device, browse available data nodes and tags, read and write values in real time, monitor communication issues and troubleshoot errors. But here's something important. UAExpert is just a client. It doesn't generate any data on its own. That's where the UACP server comes into play. Next, we will talk about what is UACP server. Why do you need it? While UAExpert Client is used to connect to an OPC UA server, the UACP server acts as a simulation server that provides test data for the client. Think of it like this. UAExpert Client equals TV, needs a channel to display something. UAExpert server, broadcast station, provides the signal data to watch. Why is the UACP server important? If you already have a real OPC UA server, PLC, SCADA industrial device, you don't need UAExpert server. If you're testing, learning, or troubleshooting, you do need UAExpert server to generate data. What happens if you don't install UACP server? UAExpert Client won't work because it won't have anything to connect to. You won't be able to test PLC communication without a running OPC UA server. You'll get connection errors when trying to browse data. Bottom line, if you're setting up OPC UA communication for a PLC, installing both UAExpert Client and UACP server is the best way to ensure everything works smoothly. Now let's discuss how download and install UAExpert Client and UACP server. Now let's move on to downloading UAExpert. Open your web browser and go to the official UAExpert website at wunified-automation.com. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, navigate to the Download section and click on Download Now. You'll be directed to the OPC UA Client's Downloads page. If you have login credentials, you can log in directly to download the software. If you don't have an account yet, look for the option on the left side that says Not a Member Yet. Click here to register. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the registration page. Provide all the required details, then click Save to create your account. After registering, check your email for a confirmation link to authenticate your account. Once you've done that, log in with your username and password. Download the latest UAExpert Client version, OPC UA Clients. Select UAExpert v.7.1 or latest version. Choose your operating system, Windows 64-bit, Linux, x86 64. Click Download and wait for it to complete. Let's install UAExpert Client. Open the downloaded UAExpert Client file. Double-click to start the installation. If a user account control UAC pop-up appears, click Yes to continue. Follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose an installation directory. Default is recommended. Click Install and wait for it to complete. Click Finish to complete the installation. UAExpert Client is now installed. Now we will download and install UACP server. Go to the official Unified Automation website. Click on OPC UA Servers Downloads. Select OPC C++ demo server. Log in and download the C++ demo server, Windows setup. Let's install UA server. Open the downloaded file UA server CPP Win32. Run as administrator. Follow the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose the installation path location. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. Click Finish. Now both UAExpert Client and UACP server are installed and ready to use. Great, now let's configure UAExpert Client to connect to the UACP server or a real PLC. Start server. Open UACP server from the Start menu. The server will start running in the background. Start UAExpert Client. Open UAExpert Client from the Start menu. Click Add Server in UAExpert Client. Select Custom Discovery. Enter the server URL. If using a PLC, enter its Ethernet IP address and port number. If using UAExpert Server, enter its local server address. Select None UATCP and click OK. Click Connect. Once connected, you'll see the server's address space. Browse available data nodes and check real-time values. Go to Address Space, Objects, PLC Resources, Application, Program, PLC. Find your program variables. Drag and drop variables into the Data Access view to monitor real-time data. Now your PLC can communicate using OPC UA, and you have a fully working test setup. And that's it. We just installed and set up UAExpert Client and Server for OPC UA communication. This tool is a game changer for PLC engineers, system integrators, and automation professionals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Mevi Embedded channel for more tech insights. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.